Welcome back to my inner circle. It's time for the ultimate reset rejuvenation skincare using my favorite power duo from Paulas Choice. If you're new here, welcome to the Glow Society. Okay, fam, you want to start by cleansing your face. And today we're doing something a little extra. And while our daily flow is important, once a week I like to take my skin to the next level. So I'm talking about a total skin reset, skin rejuvenation. This is that facial in a bottle energy that we all need to keep our glow glowing. It's important to start with a clean, dry face. It's not a good idea to use the exfoliant peel on damp skin, so you want to make sure that your skin is completely dry before proceeding. This video is not sponsored. I purchased these products myself, and they are a part of my regular skincare routine. Now, step 2 is treat. And for me, that is rejuvenate, rejuvenate, rejuvenate. And I use Paulas Choice Skin Perfecting 25% alpha hydroxy acid plus 2% beta hydroxy acid exfoliant peel. It has a nice creamy consistency and is easy to control and apply to your skin. And yes, it's purple. It's powerful and it's pure luxury for your skin. I use this once a week, usually on Wednesdays. I apply a generous layer all over my face, and you might feel a little tingle, and that's normal. It's resurfacing the skin, it's tackling those fine lines and fading any stubborn spots. Now, this isn't your everyday exfoliant. This contains a massive 25% alpha hydroxy acid for surface brightening and then 2% beta hydroxy acid to help clear our pores. There was a slight tingling sensation, and I started fanning to help that, and after a couple of seconds or so, it did stop. Alexa, I'm going to leave this on for no more than 10 minutes. Set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
After a couple of minutes, the peel had dried out and my face felt tightened. You don't have to apply a lot of this product. A little goes a long way. Once your 10 minutes is up, you want to make sure that you completely and thoroughly remove this acid from your face. Rinse it a couple of times. Be gentle when you use the towelette to remove it from your face because it is an acid peel and your face is in a vulnerable state at this time. I linked all the products I use in the description. And remember, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these products myself. I'm just sharing them with you because they work for me and they may be helpful for you. If you are finding this video beneficial and would like to see more skincare videos, hit the like button, thumbs up. And if you want to join my inner circle to get the inside scoop, subscribe. So after rinsing, my texture feels incredibly smooth, but it also feels tight. And because this is a high strength acid, I know I need to follow up with some serious hydration to calm everything down and to also replenish my skin. Which leads us to step 3, replenish. I use the Paula's Choice Super Hydrate Overnight Mask. It's packed with soothing plant extracts and peptides, as well as hydrating ingredients like shea butter and glycerin, and antioxidants also, to soothe any redness and lock in the moisture that was lost during the acid peel. I apply a generous layer of this hydrating mask to my skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. So, what's your favorite skincare rejuvenation product? Let me know in the comments. This hydrated mask is so refreshing. My skin loves it. It's the perfect balance to restore moisture to my skin following the chemical peel from the exfoliation. After 20 minutes, it was time to remove the hydrating mask. Most of it had already absorbed into my skin, and I grabbed a disposable towelette to remove the rest from my face. Because this peel is so strong, your aftercare is key. And step 4 is moisturize and seal. I use Paulas Choice C5 Super Boost Moisturizer. I apply a thick layer of this moisturizing cream. This is definitely a must if you're going to use a chemical peel because you're stripping your skin of the moisture, so you have to replenish it and rebalance it. And this is the process that I use to do that. It's important to remember that if you use an exfoliant peel, you need to definitely wear sunscreen the next day to protect your skin. This is my midweek skin rejuvenation routine. I also have a morning skincare as well as an evening skincare routine that I've shared with you in other videos. Check them out. As I apply this moisturizer to my skin, I'm making sure I rub it in thoroughly, and I'm going to go back in with some more, apply that as well, because I really want to make sure that I replenish my skin from the effects of the acid pill that I just gave it. Check out the glow. My skin feels incredibly smooth, almost like I just had a professional chemical peel. The texture, gone. The dullness, deleted. This is how I maintain that high-end look from the comfort of my home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my inner circle. Stay glam, keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Glow Society. Thanks for watching.